Going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you right now. Just doing a little walk in the park, and made me think about a couple things about life. We tend to represent a lot of companies with what we wear, with how we live, and for some odd reason, when someone else come up with something that's authentic, we tend to knock it because it don't have that stamp on it. It's not branded like that big time company. You know what I'm saying? But the way I feel, we spend a lot of money with them, and they don't spend no money with us. And you know when I mean us, I'm talking about my people. Man, let's just start investing, man, in us. You know what I mean? If it's a company that got something going on that's helping our people, let's invest with them. If you got something going on, let's buy black. Let's network black. Let's have a service company that service others. That's a black company. What's wrong with that? I mean, everybody got something going on in their lives with their businesses, but us. It seems like we always caught up in trying to get some handouts from someone else. Like, oh, okay, I can work for so and so and they'll take care of me. Or, oh, okay, I can go do this job and they'll take care of me. But once that contract or whatever has expired, you back on the grind. So why not learn how to eat for yourself? You know what I mean? To be self-sufficient, so that way you won't have to go out on the limb. You know what I mean? If you want to network with others, that's fine. And I'm all for it. But I don't want me to have to work for others where if they decide to cut my check off, I'm a starve. No, no, not me. I'm gonna make sure I have my own way to eat. So even I can network with you, I can network by myself, or we can work together. But I think it's time, man, for us to really start networking with our people, man. Working with our people, spending our money with our people. Hold on.